Hi guys, what's going on? This is Ashkaf here from MohammedAshkaf.com. Welcome to my channel. In my channel, you will find cloud-based softwares, how to make money online, digital product reviews, and tips and tricks how to do certain things. So today also I'm going to review another product called Elevate. Elevate is coming to you all from 26th August 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and the launch will be there till 30th August midnight both Eastern Time. During this period you're going to get this product for one-time price and lifetime enjoyment. So without further ado, we'll jump into my desktop and see more about this Elevate. Elevate is a breakthrough one-click system. Auto print us $50 to $100 every 30 minutes without traffic, without experience, without warning. Now this product is going now. The price will change when this comes to zero, guys. As I told you, this launch is on 26th August 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and the launch will be there till 30th August midnight both Eastern Time is New York time. During this period you're going to get this product, as I told you before, for one-time price and lifetime enjoyment. With this Elevate, I'm also going to throw some excellent bonuses for completely free of charge. So please stick with me. We'll go through every my bonus page, then members area, then sales page, and to make you all know about this Elevate. Okay guys, now if you go further down, they're talking about Elevate is a web application compatible with both Mac, PC and mobile that makes it impossible to not see results. That's because Elevate does all the heavy lifting for you every step of the way. So where you are a green grass newbie or an experienced marketer who isn't seeing the results that want online, this will work for you guys. So now before that, I will go and see my bonuses, and then we'll come back to the prices and upsells, and we'll play the demo video as well for you. Now as I told you, with this Elevate, I'm going to throw some excellent bonuses. My first bonus is Access 7-minute system. This is a time sensitive bonus tutorial. You have to bookmark to get this, because this will be there only for 6 hours during the launch. Okay guys, so this tutorial is about the solo ads. This will teach you how to get more and more leads and make sales to any of your offers using solo ads, because solo is such a way of making income, guys. And the second tutorial is the 3 favorite traffic source Jono Armstrong using. Who is Jono Armstrong? Because I'm a member of Ministry of Freedom. My mentor is Jono Armstrong. He's the one who's giving all these bonus free of charge to me, to give you all for free. So if you want to know more about the Ministry of Freedom and Jono Armstrong, in the same YouTube description, there's another link you can go and watch about the Ministry of Freedom, guys. So this second bonus tutorial is Jono's favorite 3 traffic sources, which he's generating millions of dollars, that will help you to follow the same thing. And the third bonus is learn how to make effective copywriting. Using copywriting. If you can do with effective copywriting, also you can generate traffic towards your blog or whatever in writing you have, because certain people, they like to read rather than watching. So if you can write a good or effective copywriting, that also will make the people's attention, and you can divert all those traffic to any of your offers or anything through using your blogs or whatever, guys. So that is the third the bonus tutorial. And the fourth is online entrepreneur. This is also another tutorial, how to generate income using how to generate income to any of your offers, or if you're going to make any new offers. All those will be shown in this Access Online Entrepreneur. And the fifth bonus is all vendor bonuses. The vendor bonuses are in the members area. This is the members area. These are the free bonuses. With Elevate, it is going to come. This app, the first Elevate vendor bonus is this app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free. No longer will you need to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox and give them hundreds every year. And the second the bonus is tired of paying monthly fee for autoresponders, then don't. With the Elevate Send, you get to send unlimited emails to your subscribers for free with this bonus. And the third bonus is the Elevate Host. Although a website isn't required with Elevate, this is a handy tool. If you do have a website, you will be able to host it for free and keep more of your profits. And the fourth is the funnel, Elevate Funnel, another great tool made by the Elevate development team. This serves as a free replacement to your funnel builder, allowing you to save thousands of dollars yearly, guys. Because if you want to build funnels, everyone's mind coming to ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels, how much is the ClickFunnels monthly charge? Is more than $90. So with this Elevate, you're going to get this funnel builder tutorial free of charge. And the fifth vendor bonus is that is YouTube Mention, most complete marketing solution for YouTube ever created. Those are the 5 vendor bonuses along with my bonuses, guys. So now we'll go and see the products, then product price, and we'll go to the members area. This Elevate is price for during this launch just $17, guys. The front end elevation is $17. Access the powerful Elevate software and training modules. Software is limited for 20 sales, 20 results, because this is a proven, because I will show you, this is a proven beta version already. This is a the beta version of this Elevate is already proven, and people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this front end is only 20 results. After 20 results, you need to upgrade for this first upsell, guys. Okay, that is the first thing I saw in this, because this is a proven method to get income. So that's why they have put a limitation in the front end price, guys. So and again, if you can make if you can buy this from my link, and if you can generate the same method of income, these people showing the this Venkataram, the person who behind, showing how to generate. If you can implement that same thing, and if you can generate this $39 is nothing for you guys. Within 2 sales, you're going to get everything, because this Elevate is such thing, because I will show what exactly Elevate doing in the demo video in a while, guys. So if you go further down, they are talking more upsells. All those upsells are not necessary at the moment. After 20 sales only, you need to upgrade to the first upsell. Other upsells that as per your need, you can go and upgrade, guys. Okay, now here they are talking some key benefits. That is 0 traffic needed, but we still get paid. 67 beta test made $42,000 with Elevate. Set up Elevate once and enjoy permanent results. 24/7 passive income even while sleep. Your shortcut to instant online success, risk-free. Get paid $200 if you fail. And coming back to the sales page, if you go down here. This is a sales page. This is a very lengthy sales page. You can leisurely read, because in this they are given the beta version, how the beta version, using the beta version, how people are generating income. I will show that in a while. Now this is the 3 steps. These are the 3 steps to for a passive income. They are talking, that is, first one is just purchase. Click any of the buy button right now and get Elevate at the lowest price. Yes, because that is just $17. Step 2 is activate. Create your first Elevate campaign and then activate the auto print technology. The third step is enjoy, because we are enjoying thousands of profits without the need of any traffic whatsoever, guys. So if you go further down, they are talking about these are some proofs, and here come the beta test. First proof. Now you can see I was part of the Elevate beta testing group, and I don't regret using one bit, because it's actually I made $203.72 during the testing. And if you go further down, there's another proof of beta test 2. Thank you, Venkat. You were the one who helped me make my first earning online. I can't wait to see where I'll be for the years to come. See, now this is his test results. This is the third test result. This is a great way to earn income while I am babysitting children for a living. You have put together something great. Venkat Raman is the one who bringing this product. Now you can see this is a babysitter. See, she has tested this beta version and earned $802, guys. So if you go further down, you are talking more and more benefit of this. Elevate. This is the Venkat Raman. This is the guy who is the person who is bringing this Elevate to you all, guys. So okay, now we will go to the members area. Now this is the members area. We'll play the demo video, and this is the demo video, and everything here they have given in video format. You have to follow the instructions once you buy, and if you have to go through how one by one, then only you can implement this properly and get the benefit, 100% benefit out of this Elevate, guys. So as I told you, to buy this, what you have to do is you have to go to the YouTube description link. If you click that, you will come to my bonus page. If you scroll down in the bonus page, you have different sections here, at different intervals. This click link bars are here. If you click this, you will come to the sales page, and if you click this here, you can get this product for $17, guys. So again, I'm coming back to the Elevate members area, and now you can see everything is given in a video format, how to do methodically, and how to you can implement, and how you can upgrade everything they are given in a video format in a nice manner. Just you have to purchase, and you have to listening, learn and implement. That's all you have to do this way, Elevate, guys. So and after now once I'll show you after purchasing, to get these bonuses to your computer, what you have to do is this product is launched by Warrior Plus. After purchasing, you have to hover your mouse near the account section in Warrior Plus. The menu will pop down. In that menu you have purchase history. If you click that purchase history, you will come to this voucher. If you click this button, this blue color button over here, you can get the Elevate bonuses to your computer, guys. Okay, again I'm coming back to the sales page, and here this is a very lengthy sales page. You can visually, you can read, and you can understand about this Elevate more and more before purchasing, because this is $17 and you are going to make 20 sales. After 20 sales, you are going to get some money, and with that money only you are going to invest for the first upsell, guys. So there is nothing to worry, because you are going to spend only $17 at the front end. All other things you are going to generate money from this, and you are going to spend and update to other upsells, guys. So if you go further down, still they are talking about the benefits and the success stories and everything. So you can read leisurely and understand more about this Elevate, guys, before purchasing. So don't hesitate, because there's nothing to hesitate about this Elevate. This is such a wonderful piece of software, because Venkat Raman produce always very top class products through the Warrior Plus. You can go and search Venkat Raman in Warrior Plus and see how much his products are selling and how many products he has produced and marketed through the Warrior Plus. So this is also another such a wonderful piece of software. No need to hesitate, because this is during this pandemic, so many people have lost their jobs. This is another good opportunity you to earn a good fortune, guys. So I wish you all the best with success of Elevate. And if you have, please, before leaving this video, please give a thumbs up to my video to as a support, as well as please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, because in future too I am going to review more products. All those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.